All right, how you make up with your friend after a long silent treatment from each other? It's just communication. Yeah, you should know your friend well enough on how they receive communication. Yeah, so just communicate with them in that way. But you cannot wait for them to approach. You have to approach them if you're the one thinking about, reconciling and doing what's necessary. You see what I mean? But one thing I would recommend is if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust, you will get access to course to do with healthcare. Yeah, in that course there, you learn how to strengthen your mental health, like you strengthen your physical health, plus learn how to deal with your emotions and your problems effectively without fatal consequences to self and others. So basically, what happens is when you end up in certain situations like this, it wouldn't really be in a situation like this in the first place because you would know how to deal with that problem beforehand. You get it? So, go ahead and do that. And also, in the link in the description box below, it says make a donation. You can make a donation of any amount. So go ahead and do that, especially if you want us to continue going and growing. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss on the videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.